Hello students, why calculate manually if you have Excel with you? And that is the reason today we are going to see, or today we are going to do a very simple calculation, that if I have a stock solution, if I want to dilute it to the given value, how do I go about it? Okay, so let's go through the question first of all. You have been provided with the stock solution of 1 molar glucose. You need to make total 100 ml of 0.1 molar solution. So here the question is, I have an original solution, that is a stock solution, and I need to dilute it further as a volume of 100 ml of 0.1 molar concentration. Obviously, I have to add some water into it, but how much water to be added? So for this, we have a formula, that is C1V1 is equal to C2V2. Okay, what is the C1V1 and C2V2? So C1V1 is for the original solution, whereas C2V2 is for the new solution. Now we don't know how much of the original solution to be taken, but we do know that was the concentration of the original solution, that is C1. What is the concentration of the expected new solution? And we also know what is the volume of the new solution, right? So simply we are going to redistribute this formula and get V1 is equal to C2V2 upon C1. So what I'm going to do now is, now I don't want to do all this thing manually, cross multiplication. Simply I am going for an Excel based formula, wherein I am writing this particular formula over here again, but in a manner that I am expecting V1 as a final answer. So what I'm going to do is C2 multiplied by V2 divided by C1. You can see I have put up a equal to sign in the beginning. That is something that is supposed to be added whenever you are going for any kind of Excel calculations. And I simply click enter. You can see my V1 value comes to 10. Now what is the meaning of this? So I have to take 10 ml of the stock solution, and obviously I had to make 100 ml as the total volume, out of which मैंने तो 10 ml stock add किया है. So what am I left with? I am left with 100 minus 10, that is 90 ml to be added. So I am going to add 90 ml of water in the given stock solution. Okay, this is a very simple way to calculate your this is a very simple way to calculate how much stock solution to be taken. So when you are studying in your undergraduate studies or in your school, you will always need such kind of calculations. So do come back for more. We will be going through many more such calculations again with the help of Excel. Thank you.